Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center X, and once again sharing with you our newest approved used stock. Today's return of this fabulous looking Volkswagen Transporter Kombi here in a range topping Highline trim and finish in head turning Starlight blue metallic paint. Plenty to enjoy here with key highlights including these LED headlights with signature shaped LED daytime running lights, and when visibility drops there are even front and rear fog lights, whilst around the side 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels and chrome will contrast beautifully against the paint. In the rear, full LED taillights will also give your Transporter a distinctive look, and the low there is absolutely cavernous for all your shopping and luggage needs, and there's rubberized flooring with tether hooks as well. Quick glimpse in the front will also reveal a stylish interior with two-tone cloth upholstery, as well as upgraded driver's seat with twin armrests, and the driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel operating the TFT screen. There's a digital speedometer on offer, adaptive cruise control, and even music and Bluetooth at your fingertips, whilst the center 6.5-inch touchscreen will unlock DAB digital radio with additional media source inputs, and pairing your phone for Bluetooth couldn't be easier. For added connectivity, there is even AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto smartphone projection with a host of other vehicle system settings. For the music fans, an adjustable speaker sound system can be found, and helping you park are audible and visual front and rear sensors, whilst the fully heated front windscreen is on offer and easy to use air conditioning with twin USB Type-C chargers and power sliding doors on the sides. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Highline that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.